Hi everyone. So in the last video, we have learned few of the concept on introduction of Python, and also along with that, so we are how to install the Python, what are the syntax, and how to declare and how to write the syntax, and few things are we are learned about the Python. So in this Python, the next concept is data types, operators. Okay, so in the data type operators we have multiple operators we have. So in the so meanwhile we are going to learn about what is the data type. So data type, so if you want to store a particular data, so we need variable. Okay, so that what type of data, so which type we are adding to the particular variable. So let's take your name. Your name is like it is a string. So it means that so we are mentioned with the type as well. Okay. So here we are going to learn so that data types operators. Okay. So operator, which type of operators we are having, and what type of operators we are in the Python. So how we are going to learn step by step. See, first one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Next one is comparison operator. Third one is assignment. Fourth one is bitwise. Fifth one is logical. Seventh one is membership. And so on the seventh one is identifier. Okay, last one is Python operator precedence. So here we can see what are the techniques we are having in this arithmetic operators. So how we are going to deal with that. So if you are practicing on any Visual Studio or else Google Colab, how many types of tools we are having. So let's see. So in the Visual Studio Code, so if you open the Visual Studio Code editor, so take the new file or else take the new window first. Okay, in this window, how we can go? First, you need to take one folder. If any project, any technology, while you are going to practice in the real time, so try to use folder Python practice like this. Okay, so if you are going into the Visual Studio Code, try to do this. So let's see. First one, data.py. So py file means Python file. So you can take like this file. So the extension is py. A is equal to 25 or else 35, print a. If you take like this, so just save this file. Okay, save this file and run the file. Go. So run the file, run and debug Python file. So you will get 35 is an answer for the given data.py. So here we can see like this way. Okay, understand? So or else you can able to directly, if you click on this run, automatically it's run the program and will be giving the result. Okay, now so this is the one method to write a program, or else you can download directly Jupyter. Okay, Jupyter. So I can take Jupyter notebook. So you can directly see, Jupyter notebook you can download directly and install in your machine. So if it is already there, not a problem. So I am not having the Jupyter notebook. Try to install the Jupyter, or else you can directly use this one. Okay, if you open terminal control J, terminal, and you can use directly pip install Jupyter lab. So directly it will be download like this way. Okay, so this is a one way to download the Jupyter notebook. It's a IDE. Okay, integrate development environment. So why we are using this IDE? So we are using the IDE for to run the code and to write any programs, so can use some of the tools. So that purpose we are using this IDE. So Python Jupyter notebook is installing here. So once it download, can see. So this is a one file. Okay, and the next one is, so or else you can go directly with Google Colab. Google Colab is also one of the IDE. It's an online editor. So it's only for to practice in offline. So if you are practicing in your daily, so try to use this software. So it's not recommended in the companies. Okay. So try to use the notebook. Okay. Cancel. So try to create one file here. So here it's showing error, it's showing, so because it's exceeding the data. So I already written some of the code like this, numpy and some pandas code. So try to use different email ID. Okay, so here all the data it is stored in the directly, so here you see ipynb. So it's a file for Jupyter. Okay, so ipynb file for the Jupyter. So let's take data.ipynb. So it's a Jupyter notebook code. Okay, so how we with that we can able to directly use in the Visual Studio Code or else directly Google Colab. So in the both IDEs it will be work. It's a online. Google Colab is online IDE, and here Visual Studio Code is offline open source. So let's take an example. X is equal to 5. Okay, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. So if you want to print the a plus b. Okay, what is the a plus b here? What is the output of a plus b? So here 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, the next one is, so if you want to use the arithmetic operator, this is all about the arithmetic operators. Okay, so print a minus b, print a multiplication b, and print a modulus b, and then print a division floor division b, like this. So try to, so here's the a minus b, 5 minus 6, and a into b means a 5, and 6 means 5 power 6, 1 5 6 2 5, and the next one is 5 by 6, 5, here we can say it's a multiplication and it's a modulus. Okay, it's a modulus, and the next one is floor division, so floor division is 0. Okay, then the next operator is completely about the arithmetic operators what we are discussing. First one is arithmetic operator, it is completed. Okay, the next operator, what is the next operator? Is bitwise and operator. So bitwise and operator, few of the examples we are having. Okay, so try to learn this. So mainly in the bitwise operators, how we can declare and how to write the code. Let's see here in this bitwise operator. So let take an example. A is equal to, already we are written, we are already declared a is equal to 5, right? So you can take 5 is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. So in the same way, what I am doing here, so I am doing what is the bitwise, and I have to check here, print x and y. Okay, x and y. Okay, what is the value here? So value is 4. So how can we say it is a value is 4? So try to elaborate these things. So what is the binary digit of 5? So we can say 0 uh, 101. Okay, 101, it's a 110. So both if you collect it both, so and operator, the and operator, it is giving the result 4 completely. Okay na? So this is how we can return the and statement. Okay, the next operator, so how we can say, how can we say that it's a and operator, how it is performed? It is the bitwise operator, it is return 1 if the both are 1. If both are 1, it will be gives the 1, otherwise it will be 0. Means whether it is false or else true, it will be giving the false. So it will be we can take consider as a bitwise and. So what is the bits bitwise are? Let's take print x and say y. Okay, so what is the value x or y? It is means the operators returns 1 if any of bits is 1. So if the bits are 0, then it returns 0. So this is how we can calculate. So let's take an example. x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 7. So try to understand this one. And here and is 2, here on is 15. How can we say this? So try to go to the try to explain these concepts in the understanding way. So let's take the 10. So hope you can see every digit is uh, the data will be formed in the zeros and ones. So the data we can say it's a ones, twos, threes. We can say it's a you can take 2, 4, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 8. So this is a bit 2 square and 2 cube. 0, 1, 0, 1. This is a 2 and this is a 8. So completely it's a 10, 10 binary digit. 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1. So it's a binary. Okay. So here you can see if you take and a and d, if you take and, so it will be formed like the result is 0, 0, 1, 0. So means ones are common here. Means whether it is both operators returns 1, if, then only it will be 1. Otherwise all are zeros. So this is and. Okay na? And the next one. What's the next one is? Or, right? So let's take 10 digit 7. So what is the 10 digit binary number? Is 1, 0, 1, 0. Next one is 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. So how can we take directly 1, 1, 1, 1 means whether the in the bitwise operators, if returns 1, if any digit is 1, so automatically it is considered 1. Otherwise it will be 0. So means all are having the 0. Here in the 0, here in the 0, here in the 0, but remaining all are 1, right? So that's why. So decimal of this R is 15 total. Okay. So this is how it can be formed. Next one is bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR. XOR. So we can say, how can we take this one? Y. This is XOR. Means it's a 13, right? So how can we divide this? So assignment operators we are know. So bitwise operators we are learning right now. So here and or and XOR. So try to learn remaining thing. So how XOR works in the real time? Practical scenario, you can consider 10 here. So 10 or XOR 7. So how it works? 10 means 1, 0, 1, 0. So here you can 7 means 1, 1, 1. And the next one is the answer of this one 1, 1, 0, 1. So it is nothing but 13. So what I written here. So if you take XOR operator, how it returns 1. If one bit is 0, then the other bit is 1. Okay. If both bits are 0 or 1, it will be written 0. If both are digits 1 or else 0, it returns 0 only. Remaining all are 1. So this is how the how, like, XR will work. Next one is, once it's a complement, how we can write the complement. So let's see, print -6. So what's the complement of -6? So here you can see the number is equal to x minus 6 plus 1. Here you can see it will be represented like this way, but the complement is in like this, minus, it is look like this. So it will be, a number is equal to minus, if you take x, means one's complement is x plus -6 plus 1. Okay, if you take minus minus, that will becomes plus. This is how it will be written. So these are the main, and the remaining are, we have bitwise left shift, uh, bitwise right shift operator. So how can we consider like that, 1 10 less than 2? Yes, you can take, it will be left shift operator. Okay, so it is time, how much many times it's a operand with 0 of the end. 10, uh, 10, you can say here 1 0 1 0 10, and then 1 0 1 0, and last, we can put the zeros, two zeros, then automatically decimal value is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, so we can say 1 0 1 double 0. So I'll write like this, left shift operator means, so 10 value, 10 binary digit is 1 0 1 0, right? So you are written, less than 0 means 0 0. So what is the value here? The decimal part of 40. Okay, decimal part of 40, you need to divide it this into two terms. So this is a 4 and this is 0, 40. Okay, now the next one, left shift operator means, so how can we consider? Print greater than x greater than, you can say 2, means 10, right? 10 greater than 2, the value is 2. How we can say the value is 2? The bitwise right shift operator, this is the decimal part. Okay, so this is how we can write the complete bitwise operator list. Okay, so hope you are understand this one. The next one, remaining operators, we are going into the next video. So I'll explain one by one, step by step. Thank you everyone, hope you are following the tutorial from the starting. This is the second one, so hope you are understand all the concepts about what I am explaining in this video. If you are not understand, please pause the video, then again you come from the starting, then you are able to understand properly. Thank you everyone, all the best.